It all started one dark, stormy night. I hit a black kitten with my car. Ever since, the same dream haunted me. A child playing at my feet, giggling in the dark. Every single night. One morning I woke up and felt a strange pressure on my feet. But when I looked, nothing was there. Days turned into weeks and the dreams continued. The child's giggles grew louder, more sinister. Then, one day, I saw it. The child from my dreams, standing there staring. I felt tiny hands playing with my feet. I screamed, but no sound came out. I woke up to darkness. Cold, damp earth all around me. I tried to move, but I couldn't. Buried alive. How did it happen? The answer remains a terrifying mystery.